Hey there, welcome to IT Contents channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lower down your CPU usage from Chrome and also how you can improve your download speed in Chrome. So what you want to do is just quickly open up Chrome, and once Chrome is open like this, you just want to navigate here to the search bar and you want to type in Chrome like that. Then you want to click here where it says Chrome : // flags. Click that. Then you should see this here. So here what I want you to type in at the top there is parallel. So once you start typing parallel, you will notice this at the bottom here. So you want to navigate where it says parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. So this will help improve your download speed. So you want to make sure you click enable like that. Then it will ask you that it wants to relaunch Chrome. So you can just go ahead and click relaunch. So once it relaunches, it will come back to this. So you can just quickly go back here and we can go to the other settings. So what you want to do again is click here on the three dots. You want to go where it says settings. Then here you want to go where it says privacy and security. So once you're there, you want to go where it says security. Then here I want you to navigate where it says use secure DNS. So you will notice it was at this one here, use current service provider. So go here where it says with, and then you can choose amongst the two I'm going to give you, which is Google Public DNS, or you can use Cloudflare, which is one of the ones that works well for me. So I can go here and you can still experiment between the two to see which one will be much better for you, but between the two you can use one. Okay, so once you do that setting, you can also navigate to where it says system. Then here you want to make sure you turn off this setting which says continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. So this will continue using your resources when Chrome is closed. So this is on by default. You want to make sure you turn it off so that it helps improve your CPU performance, also lowering those CPU usage. So once you do this, you can also go back here, again back. Once you're here again, you just want to click the three dots. Then this time you want to go where it says more tools. Then here you want to go to where it says extensions. So click extensions. I want to show you something important here. So as you can see here, if I click this according to CPU usage, as you can see, if I go where Chrome is right now, I go on the drop down, you'll notice that Chrome has got a lot of like sub Chromes open. So these sub Chromes that you're seeing here, these are my extensions that are currently running with Chrome. As you can see, I've got several, I think like 10. So all these that are on are also running with Chrome, making it more memory hungry or more CPU hungry. That's why you're seeing it using more resources. So if there's any extension that you're not using here, I would advise you turn it off immediately, because it's just killing and stressing your PC using resources that you are not even benefiting from. So here you want to make sure if there's anything you do not want to use right now, or something that you use but not very often, you just switch it off. When you need it, you can turn it on. So that's one of the things that you can turn off right now. So if you turn off that, now if you go back to our task manager here, so if I go to my task manager here, then I quickly search for Chrome here. As you can see, Chrome is nowhere to be seen because of that setting that I told you to turn off. So that's one of the best ways you can lower down CPU performance and improve your download speeds. And if you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. See you in the next video.